Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's have a look on the bevel in the polygon actions. We have bevel in the edge action also. So we are looking into the bevel of polygon action in this video. So bevel, right now the target is set to all polygons. And then when I just click and drag, okay, you should be able to see all the polygons are now beveled. Especially you could see the edges where the angle is changing. You could see that nicely beveled corners. Okay, that's where the tool is going to make the difference. Okay, so we have right now the single row. So if I take the 2 row, you should be able to see there are 2 rows every time that edge is splitting into faces. Let's say if I put it to 4 rows, you get the 4 rows here in the split, and then we got the 8 rows, and you should be able to see those are 8 rows there. So the spacing between these lines are very uniform. Let's say if I apply the subdivision to it, okay, either from the divide or the dynamic subdivision, you see that hard corner is there. So let me undo this and then just go with the edges here. So linear edge was giving me the uniform spacing between these edges here. All the edges are very uniformly spaced. Let me just choose this to sharp edge. Then you should be able to see the 8 edges are there, but the edges are more pushed to the sides, not to the center. That gives me the sharp cornered bevel. Okay, like that. So let me just select the soft edge here. Just click and drag, and you should be able to see all the edges are more concentrated in the center than the sides. So that should give me the roundness here. When I apply the dynamic subdivision, it gives the roundness there. Okay, so you also can control the linear, the sharp, the soft edge thing from the value of the edge sharpness. Let's say if I put a value of 0 in the edge sharpness where I'm not using these 3, just click and drag, it's linearly spaced now. If I increase this value in the positive side, you should be able to see all the edges are pushed to the sides of the bevel. Where the number is negative, all the lines are pushed to the center. So you want the soft or you want the sharp can be controlled from these sliders itself. Okay. However, you can just explore different targets here. Like for example, you can choose a flat eyeline, and then you should be able to see the bevel is affecting only one side of this model. Okay, so just explore all the targets for the bevel. A few of them doesn't work when you're really applying this one. For example, I'm doing the loop and it's not working there. Single poly, yeah, it works. And then you have poly corners, it gives you this result. So just explore this bevel with different targets and get best out of this tool. I hope you like this video. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and I request you to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.